Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Write a Python program to print arrays. See, people is equal to Dr. Asadi, Joe's, Jenkins. Print people, it will print all the names. Print people of 0, it will print Dr. Asadi. Print people of 1, it will print Joe's. Print people of 2, it will print Jenkins. Write a Python program to print list. This list equal to class, date, time. Print this list. It will print class, date, time. Write a Python program to print tuples. This tuple is equal to blue, red, green. Print this tuple. It will print. Write a Python program to print sets. This set is equal to apple, potato, candy. Print this set. Write a Python program to print dictionaries. This dictionary equal to name colon Charles, name colon Jackson, name colon Dr. Asadi. Print this dictionary. Write a Python program to perform swapping of two numbers using third variable using dynamic input. We have done already. Write a Python program to perform swapping of without using third variable using dynamic input. We have done this program. Then Python loops. Python has two primitive loop commands like while loop, for loop, and while loop. Within the while loop we can execute a set of statements as long as condition is true. Write a Python program to demo while loop. I is equal to 1 while I less than 6 colon print of 5. So it will print I plus is equal to 1 means it's shortcut form. I is equal to I plus 1. I can write I plus equal to 1 means I is equal to I plus 1. It increments every time until unless condition is true. So right side see the execution. It will print 5 elements because I less than 6 means it starts with 1 and ends with 5 because less than. If we keep I less than or equal to 6 means it will print up to 6. Then for loop. A for loop is used for iterating over a sequence that is either list or tuple or dictionary or set or a string. For is an iterator method as found in other object-oriented programming languages. With the for loop, we can execute a set of statements once for each item in a list, tuple, set, etc. Write a Python program demo for write a Python program demo for loop like fruits equal to within the square bracket. See, apple, banana, cherry. So I am declaring the array, and for x in fruits colon print x means it will print all the items. X is a here variable, and every time for iteration purpose it will check whether in the fruit list or fruit array the element is presented or not. Then looping statements, for loop and loop. For loop is the iterating over the sequence. Example for I in range of 5, print I means it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Example for I in range 5, print I. If I exactly equal to 2, it can print. Then while loop we can execute set of statements as long as continue is true. Example I is equal to 1 while I less than 6, print I plus 1. Example colon break I is equal to 1 while I less than 6, print I. If I exactly equal to 3, break I is equal to I plus 1. It will increment the loop. Then defining string in Python, my string is equal to hello, print my string. It will print hello. My string equal to hello, print my string. It will print hello. Print my string. See, that means triple quotes storing. See, it is allowed single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes. You need to understand. Extended multiple lines. My string equal to hello, welcome to the world of Python. That is comment section. It will print as it is. print my string. It will print hello, hello, hello. If you execute in a scripting way, hello, 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 hello. Welcome to the world of Python. Okay. Then Python string operation. See here, I am declaring str1 equal to hello, str2 equal to world. Using plus symbol, it is concatenation. Okay, print str1 plus str2 equal to str1 plus str2. So it will print a hello world, that's all. Using star, str1 multiplied by 3 times, so it will print a hello, hello, hello. Then iterating through a string, count equal to 0 for letter in hello world, colon. If letter exactly equal to L, so count is equal to count plus L. That means how many times L came in the hello world. Now you count 3 times. Print count, comma, letters found. See here output 3 times found. That is called iterating through a string. Write a Python program to add two matrices using nested loop. See, I am declaring x 3 by 3 matrix, y 3 by 3 matrix. Resultant is 3 by 3 with all zeros before going to execute. Iterate through rows first. For I in range, length of x, colon. Iterating through columns. For j in range, length of x of 0, means first column. Result ij equal to x of ij plus y of ij, I for rows, j for columns. So it will add first row with the first element, like that. First column with the first column of second matrix, it will add. For R in result, it will print R, means resultant value 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, you are getting. Same way, program to transpose of a matrix using nested loop. X is equal to 12, 7, 4, 5, 3, 8. That means resultant you are expecting there 2 by 3, it becomes 3 by 2. Means columns becomes rows, rows becomes columns. Iterate through rows. For I in range, length of x. For j in range, length of x of 0. Result of j comma I equal to x of ij. For R in result, print R. It will print 12, 4, 3, 7, 5, 8. Then program to multiply two matrices using nested loops. X is a 3 by 3 matrix, y is 3 by 4 matrix. Then only first column rows equal to second column, then only matrix multiplication is possible. Then you are getting the resultant matrix is 3 by 4. So now see here, iterate through rows of x. For I in range, length of x. Iterate through column. For j in range, length of y of 0. For k in range, length of y. It will print result of I comma j plus equal to x of ik into y of kj. For R in result, it will print result matrix. This is the output of the matrix multiplication. Write a